Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Black Ops 6 dev error 0xD8F46539 on PS5.
Fix 1. Restart the game. Step 1. Press the PS button. Step 2. Highlight Black Ops 6. Step 3. Press Options, close game. Step 4. Reopen the game. Fix 2. Restart your PS5. Step 1. Press the PS button. Step 2. Select Power, restart PS5. Step 3. Launch the game again. Fix 3. Check for game update. Step 1. Highlight Black Ops 6 on home screen. Step 2. Press Options. Step 3. Select Check for update. Fix 4. Rebuild database. Safe mode. Step 1. Turn off your PS5 completely. Step 2. Hold power until the second beep. Step 3. Connect controller. Press PS button. Step 4. Select Rebuild database. Fix 5. Clear PS5 cache. Step 1. Turn off PS5, not rest mode. Step 2. Unplug power cable for 60 seconds. Step 3. Plug back in and restart. Fix 6. Delete and reinstall Black Ops 6. Step 1. Highlight game, press Options. Step 2. Select Delete. Step 3. Reinstall from library or disk.